today in importance of English essay for higher secondary student. Importance of English in today's competitive world. Importance of English cannot be ignored. English is one of the most spoken language in the world. People from different parts of the world having different language as their mother tongue and are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. Nowadays, English has become the language of education in many countries. In India itself, we have numerous English medium school. It becomes convenient for the student to get higher education from Western country if he already knows English. Today, English has also become important to make a good career. Many multinational companies prefer job aspirants who have a good knowledge of English. Most documentation work done in offices is also in English language. Good knowledge of English language also help many candidates to seek employment outside India. English literature is very rich and diverse, so with the knowledge of English, we have access to many literary masterpieces. Even the internet has more than half of the website made in English language. So English help in gaining a vast knowledge through the medium of internet. Learning of foreign language help in developing our personality too. Learning English will give us most of the benefit of learning a foreign language. In this age of globalizations, the whole world seems like a platform where mode of communication is English. We can share our idea and communicate easily with the English. With English, we can express our view to more number of people across the globe. It also help us it also helps tourists who visit a different country become many of the people all over the world know English. Tourists can communicate with local people in English language. In today's world of social media, English is the most common language used by everyone on the net. If we want to share our thoughts or work on on the internet, then our work can be reached the maximum people if we can express it in English. English has been the global language from long time and it will be in the future too. It will be in the future too. It helps us follow trends, technology and modernizations with so many advantages. Learning English is always beneficial for everyone. So I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching my video.